Miss Lingard, get me the chairman of the Independent Television Authority. Kenneth?
Morning, John.
Do you know anything about this?
Well, as joint managing director, it seems perfectly clear to me.
Well, it doesn't seem clear to me.
I heard about it from Powell. I had lunch with him yesterday.
And what the hell were you having lunch with Powell about? Is this a conspiracy?
As joint managing director, John, I felt hungry.
Oh. Go to hell, then. Yes.
I can't get the chairman of the ITA, Sir John, but the deputy chairman's on the line.
I don't speak to deputy chairman. Get me the export board. Miss Susan Weldon.
But I've been through 10 security inquiries already. Yes, I realise the scriptwriters must have run out of ideas. But can't somebody else be persecuted in this series?
Yes, me. Do you know anything about this?
It seemed very clear to me.
That's exactly what Kenneth Bly said. Have you been talking to him?
Is that what your wife said? Is it?
Oh, for God's sake.
Sometimes, John, you won't recognise what's in front of your face. This letter tells you that the Power Game's coming off in the summer. Can't you accept that?
No, I can't.
All series have to come off sometime, John.
Not mine.
That's the only reason you come to me, isn't it? To try and keep your damn series going.
Oh, I don't care a damn about the series. I can go back to the stage tomorrow. What I refuse to stomach is this conspiracy to take us off. It's exactly what happened in Berchtesgaden in 1933.
It's your turn to lose, John.
It's never my turn to lose.
I don't care what the chairman of the Independent Television Authority says. It still happens to be my firm, even though it's not my series.
It may be your firm, Caswell, but that's still my desk.
Oh, now, John, you're taking this too personally. I mean, you're giving way to your emotions. This is just a business deal like any other.
Should I remind you that I am still joint managing director? It's my name that goes over the billing and TV times every week.
But, John, none of us thought the series would go on forever.
I did.
Well, that's what you said about the plane makers.
And when tenders were invited to replace the plane makers, whose contract was accepted? Not the Crane's, not Danger Man's, mine.
But you can't win this time, John.
This series will go on as long as I wish it to go on. Before I'm done, the Power Game will be on every night of the week, with repeats. With repeats. Caswell, with repeats. Yes.
The chairman of the ITA is on the line, Sir John. Miss Susan Weldon is calling from the export board, and your wife is here.
Tell ITA to go to hell. Tell Miss Weldon I'm busy. Send my wife in, Miss Lingard. You will excuse us, Caswell.
Very well, John. But I would like to remind you of one thing. Even Dixon of Dock Green can't go on forever.
I would thank you to remember that I am not Dixon of Dock Green. Caswell.
Pamela? John?
Caswell.
John?
Caswell.
Oh, John.
Pamela. Have a drink.
Thanks.
So, Pamela, you didn't leave after all.
No, John. I didn't leave. After all.
There's something I want you to do for me.
Again?
I want you to have an affair with the chairman of the Independent Television Authority.
Is that what you really want?
Yes,
When?
as soon as possible. Tonight.
It won't do any good, John. But what can it get us? One more installment, no more than that. Is it really worth it?
Yes!
I'm sorry, John, I can't do it. Not this time. Remember what Caswell said. You can't win them all.
Can't you, Pamela? Miss Lingard, get me the Director General of the BBC.